Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Valorant Ene.sys error incompatible software fix. Search with Ene.sys in search bar. Rename Ene.sys.old. Second method is uninstall problematic application. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.